In the whispering dawn's gentle embrace, a shadow flits with elegant grace. Eyes of verdant green, bright and keen, Kovu's quest for adventure serene. Through fields kissed by morning's dew, chasing dreams that flutter and flew. Kovu with a spirit bold and free, leaps and bounds beneath the canopy, in pursuit of butterflies. So fair a dance of colors in the air, each flutter a beat of his heart. In nature's masterpiece he plays his part. Kovu, fly with the wind beneath your wings, chase the horizon where the butterfly sings. A world of wonder waiting to be explored. With each adventure your spirit soars. But then comes the turn, the journey's mid, where waters rage no longer hid. Kovu faces the tempest might. In the chaos, Kovu, Kovu, I love